Right, yeah guys and girls, welcome back. It is Monday the 7th of September 2020. It is 11 o'clock on the dot, and I ordered something from Amazon a couple of days going back to go with my steering wheel, which is the Logitech G29 steering wheel, and it comes with the foot pedals. But what it didn't come with was the gear shifter. So I got that a few days going back, because I could change the gears in sort of the controller or the actual steering wheel, because this connects to the steering wheel. So it's a bit of a like an unboxing. It's driving force shifter. Apparently this connects to the wheel, so that'll be under, so I might have to take that on, well, underneath, and then so I can replace that into there with the wire, the cable. Unless there's one at the back. No, so I think it's all underneath, so I'm gonna have to retake that off. And it's apparently it's got the main gear shifter one, and it's a lock into each gear quickly and securely, and 6-speed shifter with push down reverser, so you push down to reverse. So number 3, I should watch that, secure mounting. So number 1, so it's all built into the actual the shifter or the clutch and all that kind of stuff with it. Works only with Logitech G29, G920 driving force racing wheels for console and PC. What's in the box? Shifter user documentations and 2-year manufacturer guaranteed. For product support. Anyway, back in 2 seconds, guys and girls. I shall actually do this while I'm here, actually. Just to show you, to do the unboxing here while we're doing this. And then I've got to mount this to this, because at the moment, what I've got you on at the moment is where I'm going to be putting my shifter, product shifter. Now, this cost me, I think on Amazon, about, was that about 50 quid? About 50, 60 pounds? Yeah, about 50, 60 quid. Yeah, about 50, 60 quid, and I think it was like £4.99 for delivery or something. And I only ordered this, I think, 2 days going back. And I think it's only just come today, and it was going to be, what they said, Friday? And today is Monday, so amazing. Amazon is amazing. Right, so yeah, we can do this. Because I find it really, really difficult, well, not difficult, but a bit odd using the clickety-click ones. They're the ones on the side. Was it the shift gear paddles they got on the back? So, and let's have a look. Can we chop this one off? Anyway, we went to, what's it called, that pub? The Summer House, isn't it? That's just near the A370, just coming into Western, or coming to where Sainsbury's is. They do some great food there, guys and girls. Anyway, so as you can tell, it's an official Logitech. What's that upside down? No, that's correct. So that's a Logitech, and it's a driving force shift. That's going with my G29 G-Force, not G-Force, I'm going to say, driving force steering wheel. And basically there's a picture on the background, on the back I should say, where it says that's the shifter, and that's the wheel where you connect it to the shifter all together. I'll probably do some testing on it. I've never actually used a gear stick at all, so it's going to be a bit strange, because I've not really used steering wheels at all, really. I mean, up until now. So I'm just getting used to it. But shifting from reverse to like first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear, and then going into sixth gear. Some actually, I think some cars have like 8 gears. If I'm right, I have no idea. But let us know in the comments below if you drive, if you've heard of any 8 gears.
Well, Sainsbury's restaurant will be open on the 23rd.
So yeah, so 23rd of September, book your tables or whatever. Sainsbury's Cafe going to be open on the 23rd. Western Supermart, 23rd of September 2020 of this month.
Today.
Anyway, so that's got some weight to it. That's actually quite weighty. I was thinking, because this is kind of low down, it's just down here, the actual plate. But I was just noticed, well, once this goes on to, actually, hang on, will that actually mount on there? I don't even know if that's going to mount or not. So I've got about 4 minutes left until my camera runs. I should have put it on for about 15-20 minutes, to be honest. So this is it comes in a plastic bag. Make sure when you do get these plastic bags, guys and girls, dispose of them. Don't let any children go near them and all of that. Just safety and stuff and all that. Always keep your bags away. Ooh, hang on. So let's have a look. So how does that connect? Oh, this is one of those. So that will go underneath then, so I can just connect that. So there's these like little things like on the other ones. There's two of these. I've got this one on that side. So I've got one on that side, one on that side. That will actually unlock the plates there. There's two plates there which connect underneath this little plate. I can't really show you the plate at the moment, but once I've set this all up, it should be awesome. So go down. So that's the gear stick. Actually good quality, actually really hard as well, very durable. So like I presume that's your neutral. Actually neutral probably, yeah, actually neutral will be in the middle. So that'd be in the middle, that'd be your neutral, and then if you want it reverse, I suppose that'd be just back, like reverse, and then forward, then backwards, and then put it in, and then you've got your fifth gear which you can change it, and then you've got your sixth gear, I would say, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus, well, you've got your downshift. Now, looking on here, where it's pointing down, actually it's not pointing down because it's pointing towards me, I'm guessing that would be the reverse. That one would be the reverse, that would be like second and first and second gear, third and fourth, and fifth and sixth gear. So 6 gears plus your reversal. Let us know in the comments, guys and girls, if I'm right or wrong. That way, if you've got one exactly the same, but yeah, we'll check this out. Actually, the quality on it, though, absolutely quality. It's really good. That is really good for like 60 quid. Because I had to pay for delivery as well to get it for the next day and stuff. But yeah, definitely good. But anyway, also, guys and girls, actually, I've just gone on to the website just a minute ago. I'm actually getting one of these identity cards. Now, I was going to get an identity card just so I can just use it whenever, if people ask me stuff. Because my, what's it called, old card, it's expired now, isn't it? I had one when I was like 15 or something. You need ID cards now sometimes, ones with a photo ID. And I said to my mum, well, why don't I get just a provisional license and type it online, so we're doing it on there, £34. It don't mean it doesn't mean I'm gonna get a car, because I'm not gonna get a car anyway at the moment. But and it's also the provisional license lasts for 10 years, so I can get it up to 10 years. So what I've done is I've applied for a provisional license, driver license, and just get a picture on there, and it'd just be for
ID.
Yeah, just ID. That's all I'm gonna be using it for. And then you'll be saying, well, because I mean, £34, that's not bad, is it, for sort of provisional license? Did it all online, it's cheaper on there in a way, so, and now they're going to be like sending me the papers within the next few days for the DVLA stuff like that. But anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this little unboxing, I'll set it up and I'll do some videos later on as well. But cheers for watching, stay safe, like, favourite, subscribe, and cheers for watching.